Congratulations on receiving your Poynt card reader. I'm Darlene, and let's set it up together. You can follow along with me as I go through the steps on the screen. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that everything that should be included is included in the box. You should have the following items: Poynt card reader device, USB-C cable, charging dock, and quick start guide. One thing before we get started, if you haven't fully charged your Poynt card reader for 2 to 3 hours, please go ahead and do that. There are 2 ways that you can charge your Poynt card reader. Place your card reader in the charging cradle, plug the USB-C cable into the cradle, and then connect it to a power source, or plug the USB-C cable directly. You can come back to this video when it's charged. If you have already fully charged your device, let's keep going. Next, you need to download the GoDaddy app from Google Play on your Android device or from the App Store on your iOS device. Sign into your account with your GoDaddy username and password. On the Poynt card reader, press the power button on the side of the device to turn it on. You'll see a flashing blue light on the side of the device when it's ready to connect. Go back to the GoDaddy app on your smart device. Tap Payments, and then tap Setup Card Reader. Tap Set It Up near the bottom of the screen. Select your Poynt card reader from the list when it appears. Tap Pair to connect the Poynt card reader with the GoDaddy app on your smart device. You'll be asked for a PIN. Find the BT passkey that's printed on your Poynt card reader and enter that as your PIN on the GoDaddy app. Awesome! Your Poynt card reader should now be synced with the GoDaddy app on your smart device. Let's test it out and see if it's working. We're going to run a quick test transaction. In the GoDaddy app, select Payments and then select Start Selling. That should bring up the keyboard. Enter a small amount, like $1, and then tap the Add Item button. Select Checkout. Select Tax. Enter a sales tax percentage, and then select Done. You may have to select Done twice. Select Charge, then select Card Reader when it asks for a payment method. You can insert, tap, or swipe your credit card, and then select Continue. Add your signature, and then select Continue. Enter the email address or phone number of where you would like the receipt sent to, and then select Done. You'll be able to see an example of what your customers see when you send them receipts. Your first transaction is complete. Awesome. Let's go ahead and void that transaction now. From the GoDaddy app, select Payments and then select Transactions. Select the transaction that you just processed and then select Void Transaction. Select Yes, Void. Select Done. The transaction should now show as being voided and it will not be charged to your card. You're all set. You successfully synced your Poynt card reader to your smart device, processed a transaction, and even voided a transaction. I'm Darlene. Good luck out there.